Nature's Whey Cell Forté IP-6 and Inositol supplement shows promise in preventing prostate cancer progression. Research on male mice demonstrated a 55% to 70% reduction in severe disease incidence with IP-6 treatment. This natural compound may halt tumor growth and development at early stages. The supplement's IP-6 component potentially targets cancer stem cells, suggesting a crucial role in preventing advanced prostate cancer. Scientifically rated as moderately effective, this supplement offers hope for prostate cancer prevention based on promising research outcomes.